Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video on the View into Huck's World. And the weekend people is here. And I got one of the baddest watch faces that you gotta download. And it's gonna be free for the taking in the Good Manager store. Now, I don't know if it's gonna change an hour from now, 6 hours from now. But what you need to do is download ASAP right after the video. Cool? Well, let's check this one out. Now, the name of it is called BRG02 Premium Hybrid. I like the sporty look. I do like the design of this watch face. The color definitely makes this watch face pop. In the AOD mode, you are going to get the nicest look, and I like the color theme in the AOD mode. Really stands out quite a bit. And once the watch face is on, what you're going to be greeted with is the number 12 at the top, right? Looks nice. And you come down that window right up under it, you're going to get water intake info, the day of the week and your date, your calories burned, floors climbed, and you're also going to get an analog look / digital. Now your analog hands, they do look stylish, they do look fun. And then you look in the dials, the one to your left, you're going to get your battery info, and the one to your right is going to give you your step goal completed. Now down at the bottom, you have another window. You're going to get your digital time right there. It's going to be a 24-hour watch face. Now you will get an AM stamp, animated seconds, miles walked or ran, and also you're going to get your heart rate information. Now, if you need to make a phone call, if you look to the right at the bottom, you can tap on that phone icon and make a phone call right from there. And it is inactive, so if you tap on the settings, you can go in and tweak your watch however you see fit. Now this dial is going to bring up your battery info, and here it's going to bring up your S health, like calories burned, floors climbed, sleep, things of that nature. So if you're going to be exercising this weekend, this is definitely an awesome watch face to have on your wrist. And you can set favorites with this one in 2 different places, and I thought that was super awesome, right? And also what I could do is if I tap at the top, I can change the color theme. Not bad, right? Same thing with this one. If I tap in the middle, I could change it only to 2 colors, color theme, which isn't bad, especially for a freebie. I gotta say, my man got down on this one. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.